You're going to want to stick with me as I'm going to show you how I use these 75-ounce glass cookie jars in my clients' pantries, what I liked about them, and what to watch out for when your order comes in. As a home organizer, I've used these jars to decant cookies, sugar packets, candies, chocolates, teas, you name it. I just think when there's multiples on a shelf, they add a cohesive sparkle, and they make a pantry look magical. At 75 ounces, they're a great size. I don't think I'd order the smaller size for pantry shelves as these are just right. Now, while the lid can be a bit challenging to screw on if you don't have it aligned properly, I love that the jars are glass. I also love their price point as it makes it easier when you're trying to fill an entire pantry shelf. Now, I want to remind you to inspect all your canisters and lids when they arrive, especially when you're ordering multiples. I neglected to open one of my 10 boxes and found that one of the handles on the lid was damaged. Unfortunately, it was outside of the return window. But I'm going to say that overall, these are a great buy if you're looking to organize your pantry or your kitchen. They just stand beautifully on your shelf, and I highly recommend them.